Hi guys, this is Dr. Mathai with Oregon Health, Direct Primary Care and Oregon Health Vitality. We just got done with training in Texas last week and it was amazing. We were down there to learn about a new pellet insertion process that is supposed to be atraumatic, which means that we cause a lot less pain. We have a few complications as far as pellets. And, for those of you who don't know, we have actually been doing hormonal optimization with the use of pellets in the clinic since about 2019. I am a recipient of Pellet Therapy. Absolutely love it. It's been a game changer. It's absolutely changed how I feel, how I function. And we're really excited to be able to expand what we're doing with pellets, having found this new technique that is a lot better for patients in terms of outcome and allows much better compliance. One of the things I'm really passionate about is hormonal optimization. Again, it's twofold. I have seen what it has done for me and my family. Like I said, personally having been a recipient of hormonal optimization therapy and just having changed how I feel, how I function, and how I'm able to approach life on a day-to-day basis. So again, really passionate about that. One of the things that somebody told me recently, or rather raised an interesting question, was do we age because we lose hormones, or do we lose hormones as we age? Interesting question. I think it may actually be partly that we age because of the loss of hormonal optimization. So one of the things that we're really trying to do here at the clinic is help people age well. Again, you know, we can't do anything about aging, but we can absolutely do things about how we age and the functionality that we have. And I think hormones play a big role in that. Again, it's just one of the few services that we have here at our clinic. It's something that I'm really passionate about, again, because I have seen just what hormonal optimization can do for you. And so if you have any questions about how we can hormonally optimize, if you have any questions about, okay, you know, how we're going to do this with hormones, you know, I've heard this about counts and all of those, we are happy to answer all of those questions for you. Just give us a call, 503-506-8500. I'm going to link to the bottom of this video a couple of PDFs with some questionnaires that might help, you know, give an idea as to some of the things that we might be able to help with, okay? Again, this is Dr. Yusuf Mathai with Oregon Health Direct Primary Care. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye-bye.